Hello and welcome to my channel. Let me ask you a simple question. Did you know that your best life is closer than you think? Yes, it is true. Your best life is inside of you. It really is inside of you. Listen, all the way to the end. I have a gift for you at the end of the video. Get ready. Just think about this for a minute. Do you know that scientists tell us that we only use at most 20% of our brain power every day? Therefore, 80% of our brain power goes unused for conscious work and creative expression. Our subconscious mind uses some power for things like breathing and heartbeat and body functions. But there is a lot of brain power not being used every day. That's a lot of possibility that remains hidden inside of us all the time. Do you understand how much power is inside of you right now? Your possibilities are endless. This means we have a lot more potential than we ever thought before. Let me explain. Remember what I said earlier. That your best life is closer than you think. Everything is possible when you understand how much potential and promise you already have inside of you. Wealth, abundance, and your dream life coming true always begin within yourself. Do you really want to manifest and create the wealth, abundance, success, and freedom you deserve, and enjoy your financial freedom in 30 days? Do you want to unlock the power inside of your mind and spirit, and create the life you dream about? Understand this. You do not have to live life struggling and feeling frustrated anymore. I have discovered the newly released training called Wealth DNA Code that helps you uncover effective tools and techniques on how to change your inner world. What if I told you that you have the ability to attract untold wealth and abundance into your life, and that this ability is lying dormant inside your DNA? Does this seem hard to believe? Well, this is exactly what a NASA scientist recently found out. And he laid out a step-by-step method to unlock our dormant ability in this report. Go to the link to access this Wealth DNA report to awaken your dormant ability to attract wealth, success, freedom, and abundance. This link will take you to my page with all the details about your gift report from NASA. I hope my gift secret report helps you find and live your dream life. Again, go to this link for all the details. Thanks for watching my video today. If you want more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and please like my video. That helps tell YouTube I am providing good information for you. And go ahead and leave me a comment too. Thanks again. Enjoy your free gift report.